Happy Vlogmas Day 24. Only one day left, but in reality, there's 0 days left for me because the festivities all start today. So it's around noon right now, I think. I've had a very, very slow start to the day, had a bunch of coffees, watched a bunch of videos. I've just been lazing around because I know it's going to be a very long day, very late night. And then tomorrow morning I have to get up early for Christmas Day festivities. So yeah, after today, it is officially Christmas for us. But I thought I'd come down here, do the Advent before I go upstairs and get everything done. There's not much left to be done, to be honest. Around 2 o'clock, I need to go to the bakery where I ordered some cakes and some breads for our dinner tonight. And then I have to be on the road around 5:30-ish. We're expected at my mom's for 6. And then I probably won't be home until 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So this video will probably be a little bit of a shorter one, just because I want to hit publish on it before I leave to go to my mom's. But anyways, we'll play by ear. We'll see what happens. So day 24 and the last day is Jessica Mayo and Kylie and the Machine. So this sounds like some kind of collab. Let's see. Ooh, oh my gosh, there's a ton of labels today. Wow. Hold on, gosh. There we go. There's a ton of them. And a bunch of different designs. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. So we've got a needle and thread. Hopefully this camera is going to focus. We've got a pear, but also a croissant. We've got a rainbow and pencil. We've got a dog and a sock. We've got a camera, and I think this is a cat. We've got some kind of bird, a drink. I don't know what these are. Oh, they're playing cards. Like this. Some overalls or dungarees. And then some little hearts. So have you been counting? Because I haven't been. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 labels on the last day. How cool is that? And they are all super colorful and pretty and happy. Love these. Love these. Well, Kylie and the Machine ends with a bang. Amazing. All right, so like I said, I now need to go back upstairs, finish drying my hair. And I don't usually do like a full face of makeup for anything. I don't like to cake stuff on my face, so usually it's just a bit of foundation, eyeliner, mascara, blush, and then some kind of lip gloss. I don't even wear lipstick anymore. Yeah, I just prefer that, so that's not going to take me long. I just have mascara to put on and I'm ready, do my hair, and of course change into my clothes or the outfit I'm going to wear to the party. But I'm going to do that after, like, last minute, after I get back from getting the food. So yeah, I will of course show you the outfit before I log off for Vlogmas. Oh, and somebody asked me to show how I finished the zipper on my bestie bag. So I didn't really follow the instructions in the pattern. And yeah, I did it the way I always do zipper tabs. So I'm going to show you that a little bit later. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, but for now, I'm going to go back upstairs, finish doing my hair, and then I'll come back down and do that fun zipper tab thing. So I'll see you in a bit. Hello, I am back, and I'm going to basically show you how I finished my zipper tabs. I don't know if you can even see them, but right here, the zipper is finished with a tab cut from the same fabric as the exterior of the bag. And in the pattern, what they have you do, so this is a zipper. Let's pretend it's cut to, so I did the medium size bag. I can't remember in the pattern, I think they tell you an 18-inch zipper, but I cut my zipper to 17.25, which is exactly the length you need to insert into your bag. And they do tell you in the pattern what your zipper needs to finish at once your tabs are on there. And because of the way they install the tab, the zipper they tell you to get is shorter than what you actually need if you're going to use this method. So this is the piece of fabric I'm going to use for my zipper tab. In the pattern, they tell you to fold it in half, wrong sides together, and then press, and then line up the folded edge here on top of the end of the zipper. Okay? So you can see here that the underside or unfinished zipper is simply hidden by putting your tab on top of it, and that also lengthens your zipper. Okay? And then they tell you to stitch right here near the fold. What I did instead, and what Sarah did in So Sarah Sewed, is you do fold it in half, wrong sides together, but then you open it again, fold both ends in by about 1/4 inch and press. So you end up with something that looks like this. Both ends are folded inside, and then you fold it in half again. So you end up with 2 folded edges right here and 1 fold over here. I'm hoping this all makes sense. And now what you're going to do is put your end of the zipper inside your zipper tab, leaving, like making sure your folded edges stay folded. And then once you've done that, you stitch 1/8 away from the fold, catching both sides. And this way, both the top of your zipper and the underside of your zipper is nicely finished. And you've got no raw edges anywhere. Simple as that. So you will need to adjust the length of your zipper, because when you do it this way, when you fully enclose it with your little tab, you push your zipper all the way inside. All right, so basically you're not adding any length to your zipper. And voila, and then you put in your zipper the exact same way they tell you to do it in the pattern instructions. Nothing else is different, just the tab is different. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, so I've dried my hair. It is a little bit afternoon now, I think. I don't know. I've lost track of time, people. Oh, I did want to share, because I got a fabric delivery this morning. Everything's been a little bit slower in Canada because Canada Post was on strike. They're back at work now, but there's quite a bit of a backlog that they need to get through. Like, I ordered some shoes a month and a half ago. They got delivered this morning. So, but, the Fabric Snob, which is an online store here in Canada, was having a sale throughout December. I think they called it the 12 days of Christmas sale or something like that. They had a different deal every day. And one of the days, I can't remember exactly what it was. I think it was save 30% on everything, like every knit fabric in the store. I love their knits. I really, really do. So I jumped on this and bought a couple of things. Oof. One fabric is for something I'm making for Marianne in January. I'm making her a skirt. She wants like a skater skirt, which is basically a circle skirt. Every Fabric Snob delivery comes with a sweetie, so a little snack, a color catcher sheet, and one of those wonder clips. I love it. And there's always a very pretty thank you card. I love. And everything is very nicely packaged. All right, so here's the knit I got for Marianne's skirt. Ugh, sorry about the noise. It's like it's almost like athletic knit. Very, very stretchy. It's in a very pale lilac color. I think they called it wisteria. Yeah. I've got 1.5 meters of this to make her a skirt. So that'll be done in January. Then I got myself, see, now that I'm seeing it in person, I don't know that I'm going to use it for myself, but anyways, I got, sorry about all the noise. Where's the tag on this? Don't even remember what I got and how long. Oh, there we go. So here's the color. Now on camera it looks gorgeous and very bright, but in person it's not that bright. And I don't know. Yeah, it might work. I got 2 meters of this. It's a double brushed interlock. So it's like it's almost like a cotton jersey, but thicker and softer. It's amazing. And I think I was going to make myself a hoodie with this, or a sweatshirt of some kind. And I might still do that. Yeah, it's not bad. In real life, though, it's really not as bright a color. This would look amazing on hubby, so maybe I just end up making a hoodie for hubby in this. But then I also got, because I think it was included in the sale that day, a super cute The Fabric Snob mug. I love it. It's very small. It's too small for my coffees. I like my coffees in a like 16-ounce cup. But yeah, cute. Very cute. All right, so I'm going to leave this here for now. I've got a couple of things I need to do. My phone is ringing, but I'll be back in a bit. What is it with cats and boxes? I just put that box there 30 seconds ago. And then he jumped right on top of the table and is now trying to get into the box. Hey, my love. Is that box for you? Hello. Well, it is almost time for me to go. So I thought I'd hop on one last time, show you what I'm wearing, and yeah, we'll basically end the video after that. So, I'm sorry. I'm wearing my Avenir jumpsuit in that viscose twill from Minerva, along with a Metra blazer in a black ponte. You probably won't get a full shot of me. I am super comfortable, feel very nice, and I am wearing tights under this jumpsuit because it is cold out there, and we woke up to, I don't know, maybe 10 centimeters of snow, and it's cold, so it's going to stick around for a while. So we are going to have a white Christmas in Montreal this year, which is amazing. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave the video here, and this will basically end Vlogmas. I want to thank each and every one of you who's come back every day to watch one of my little videos. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I had a ball. I mean, let's not kid ourselves. Vlogmas is a lot of work, but I had a really, really good time. I loved interacting with you in the comments. And yeah, I hope if you celebrate that you have a fabulous Christmas surrounded by all of the people you love and eating good food and just having fun. I'm not going to wish you a Happy New Year just yet because there will be at least one more video coming out before the end of the year. So I'm going to keep my wishes for 2025 until then. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.